that is activity sheet number 8. Yes children, already we have completed the first semester all the syllabus. Today we will learn about the revision class. Okay, today I am going to teach you the revision about the lesson The Indomitable Mary Kom. Related to this lesson we will take the revision. Okay, so you need to write the heading and write down the lesson name. Okay, in that I will give you the questions and I will show you how to solve with one example. I will show you one example. So remaining you need to solve by yourself. Okay, see here, rewrite the sentences correctly. Okay, here the sentence is not correct. You need to make it correct and rewrite that sentence. So first one, Mary Kom is an actress. Mary Kom is an actress. Is it right? Actress andre yaru, nati. Actor andre nata. So Mary Kom avaru enagidru? Is it a actress? No. Then for example, Mary Kom is an boxer. Enagidru ivaru Mary Kom? Famous boxer. Mary Kom is an famous boxer. Okay. Like this you need to correct the sentences and rewrite that. Second one, Mary Kom is nicknamed Magnifying Mary. Mary Kom avara nickname enagittu? If you read the lesson means you will come to know the answers. So here I will write down only questions. This is your task. Okay. Next, third one, Mary started training. Mary started training under Dingo Singh. Dingo Singh. So Mary Kom ಅವರು ಯಾರ ಅಂಡರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಡೆದ್ರು? ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನು? Is it Dingo Singh? So read the lesson and make it correct. ಅವರ ಗುರುಗಳು ಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ರು? Okay. Next, Mary's autobiography is titled Unbeatable. ಮೇರಿ ಕೋಮ್ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಒಂದು ಆಟೋಬಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಯನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇರೀಸ್ ಆಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ? Mary's autobiography is titled Unbeatable. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ತರೋಲಿ ನೀವು ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಅವ್ರ ಆಟೋಬಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಏನು? ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಮೇರಿ ಓನ್ ಅ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಂಡನ್ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್. ಮೇರಿ ಓನ್ ಅ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ at the London Olympics. ಸೊ ಮೇರಿ ಕೋಮ್ ಅವರು ಲಂಡನ್ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು? ವಿಚ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಶಿ ಬೋನ್? ಸೊ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Yes children, please write down these all the questions. I will give you 2 minutes. Pause the video and write it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Next, fill in the blanks with the opposite words. So you need to write the opposite words. Write opposite words. First one, landlady. So landlady the opposite word ಏನು? Landlord. Okay. Next, second one, hostess. Third one, tiger. Fourth one, policeman. Fifth one, grandson. Sixth one, uncle. Yes, this is your homework. So write down all the opposite words of these words. Okay. Next. Okay, children, please copy it down. Yes, copied. Okay. Next, third में C, choose the correct word. Choose the correct word from the box, from the help box. Okay. In the help box, they have given showed, tuft, fleet. Next, bunch, army, gang, library, cluster, forest. Okay. So first one, a dash of bananas. A dash of bananas. Next, a dash of flowers. Here example, a bunch of bananas. Bananas irtava, bunch irtava. Okay. Next, third one, a dash of thieves. Fourth one, a dash of books. Next, fifth one, a dash of trees. Dash of trees. Okay. Next, sixth one, a dash of soldiers. A dash of soldier. Okay. Next, a dash of cars. Next, a dash of stars. Next, a dash of fish. Next, a dash of grass. So, search the answer, choose the answers and write it down. Okay, this is your homework, children. Please search the answers and find it out. Okay. So one example I have shown here. Okay. Yes, children, will you do it? So please complete this revision. Okay. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.